Hello friends, learn science and chemistry with chemistrynotesinfo.com. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about the latest mission of ISRO Aditya L-1 mission. And this mission is to explore the sun. But before we are discussing about the mission, first we know what is ISRO. ISRO is the Indian Space Research Organization and it is India's premier space agency known for its pioneering work in the space exploration, satellite technology and launching missions to explore the cosmos. As title suggests, this mission Aditya L-1 is launched by the ISRO to explore the sun. So let's start. This mission promises to shed new light on our nearest star, the sun, unravel some of its most profound mysteries. So buckle up as we embark on this solar adventure. To begin our journey, let's start with a basic understanding of our sun. The sun is not just a blazing ball of fire, it's a complex celestial body that impacts our entire solar system. It gives us energy to do anything on this earth. Its activity influences space weather, which in turn affects our satellites, power grids, and even our climate here on the earth. So why is ISRO Aditya L-1 mission so significant? Because the Aditya L-1 mission, named after the sun god Aditya in Hindu mythology, is India's ambitious venture to study the sun. In India, we respect and we think we treat sun as a god. It is India's ambitious venture to study the sun. This mission aims to provide insight into the sun's outermost layer called the corona and its magnetic field. It will also observe solar flares which can disrupt communications and navigation system on Earth. The spacecraft will carry a suite of scientific instruments, including a visible emission line coronagraph to observe the outer atmosphere of the sun. It will also have an instrument to measure the magnetic field on the sun's surface, shedding light on sun's magnetic activity and its effect on space weather. Friends, sun is very important star. It gives us energy and everything we deserve. We treat sun as a god. ISRO Aditya L-1 mission is not just an Indian endeavor, it's global collaboration. Scientists from various countries will work together to analyze the data and gain a comprehensive understanding of the sun. This international cooperation highlights the importance of studying the sun for both scientific and practical reasons. Now let's delve into why studying the sun is so crucial for us here on the sun. On Earth, solar activity can lead to geomagnetic storms that disrupt power grids and satellites communications. By understanding the sun better, we can improve our ability to predict and mitigate these impacts. This study also helps us for risk analysis and mitigation plans. Conclusion and future of this study. As we wrap up this episode, it's evident that ISRO's Aditya L-1 mission is poised to illuminate the mysteries of our sun, offering profound insights into very star that sustain life on Earth. This mission represents another grand leap in our quest to explore the cosmos. That's all for today's episode of Space Chronicles. We hope you enjoyed this cosmic journey with ISRO Aditya L-1 mission. Stay tuned for more thrilling space explorations in our upcoming episodes and many more science and chemistry knowledge. Until then, keep looking up at the sky and keep exploring the wonders of the universe. Thank you to listening this episode. This episode is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. And if you want to learn more about space, science and chemistry, do visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. You can help us to grow well also by donating some bucks on the link provided in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast.